morning, Group 52. We all know that tomorrow's not promised, but most of us are waiting for New Year's, when the ball drops, to turn over a new leaf. New year, new me. But if you really believe tomorrow's not promised, then get up right now. Become the best version of yourself that you can be. Chase your passion. Create that project. Forgive that person that's been holding you back. Do something. Live life as if tomorrow is not promised. Because the truth is, it never was. God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.